Hey there, folks. Today, we're going to talk about a topic that's often overlooked, but it's essential for our overall health, or poops. Yes, you heard that right. You see, eating the right foods can help you have the perfect poops. And guess what? That's not just about keeping you regular, but also about promoting optimal gut health. So, what are these fiber-rich foods that you should be eating for optimal gut health? Well, let's start with fruits like apples, pears, and berries. These are packed with fiber and other nutrients that your gut will love. Next up, we have vegetables like broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and artichokes. These veggies are not only high in fiber but also contain prebiotics, which are essential for a healthy gut. Lastly, let's talk about whole grains like oatmeal, quinoa, and brown rice. These are not only high in fiber but also contain essential vitamins and minerals. So, there you have it, folks. Eat these fiber-rich foods for perfect poops and optimal gut health. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more health tips and advice. Cheers to a healthy gut!